course, so moving on to the description, we start with flag. We have the flag. You can see features of the head, black or the complete. This black and white. You can see. On blue background, and it's a traditional headdress that often millions men wear as a symbol of Manhattan. And the flag is signifies the distinct skin color that we have. While the white is represent Hapa, a traditional headdress for authority made from the mother of pearl. The third is for individual triangles, which will signify a sense of land to the Hongkong Union, and people in the blue flag symbolize the ocean. We will start our open. The open, so we not start but with open way. The women wear casket for Humboldt, that is made from the leaves of tree called masi. Also, a woman wears headband, and then called the paspas, made up of baby banana. That signifies the importance of women, and also a ceremony that used to use for bride price, and some are one as part of traditional costumes during traditional days. The parallel is also worn hanging over their shoulder and draped down around their waist. Yellow paint on their face for kawa, and feathers for uha are also part of traditional costumes. The basket, known as olapaka, is carried by a woman. So now we want to start our Bougainville. Bougainville men wear basket for tomorrow, same as women. Men also wear a traditional headdress for Ube. You can see on the right hand, and it signifies the transition to Arambo. Armband and headband for paspas made out of banana, but are worn as part of traditional costumes. Most importantly, it indicates the identity of citizenship. Ceremony, you can see the Mr. Bougainville is shoulder over the pasli, made up of cells, one is especially by chip, that signifies the weather. The yellow paint on their face is paint as one as part of the men's traditional costumes. And we have the spear or ubu, made up of a palm tree used for fight. Thank you very much. Thanks all for Mr. Bougainville and Ms. Bougainville.